ReQuiz review, graphing exponential growth and decay. This is problems 4 through 6. These are an example of exponential decay. Now for a graph to be exponential decay, the b value has to be between 0 and 1. And b is the number with the exponent, so 1/4, 1/2, and 2/3. As far as the h and the k are concerned, they're just like the growth, move it up and down, left and right. And we're also going to use the 2 points 0, 1, and 1b. So for number 4, we're going to plot the point 0, 1, and 1b. b is 0.25, so we're going to estimate that to be about right there. And this minus 2 on the end moves the graph down 2. And then this minus 2 here is your h, which is really a positive 2, so it's going to go right 2. So I'm going to take the asymptote first. I'm going to move it down 2. And then I'll take each point, move them down 2 and right 2. And then I'll connect my dots. And there's my graph. Now the domain is going to be -infinity to infinity on each one of these. The range is the bottom of the graph, which at the very bottom we're at -2. And then at the top there's an arrow, it keeps going up, so that would take us to infinity on the y-axis. And your asymptote is always going to be y equals your k value, which in this case k is -2. Question number 5 here, same idea. We're going to plot the point 0, 1. And 1b, b is 1/2. And we've got a reflection going on here. There's this negative in front. So I'm going to take both of those points, flip them across the x-axis. So this is kind of your general shape of your graph right here. And we're going to take this graph and we're moving it up 3 and then right 1. So I'm going to start with the asymptote. I'll move it up 3. And I'll take each point, move them up 3 and right 1. And then I'll connect the dots. And so your domain is -infinity to infinity. Range is the bottom and the top. The bottom is going down, so that would be -infinity. And then at the top is your horizontal asymptote, which is at y equals 3. And the equation would be y equals 3 as well. Number 6, we have the point 0, 1, and 1b. b is 2/3, which is 0.67, so we'll just estimate where we think that's at. And there's no k value, so it's not going to move up or down. There is an h. It's a net. You see a -3. It's really +3. So this is going to go right 3. So I'll take each point and move them right 3. And the asymptote's not going to move, so this is your graph. And the domain is -infinity to infinity. Range is the bottom and the top. At the bottom, that's at 0. And then at the top, it keeps going up. So that would take you to infinity on the y-axis. And your horizontal asymptote is y equals. There is no k out there. That would be 0. And that gives you your graph.